Rich-ZhYao coating. In response to the high requirements for surface treatment of aluminum profiles, we customize an intelligent and automated spraying production line for you. National high-tech enterprise, guaranteed by 32 patent technologies. The production line integrates fully automatic precise spraying and high-efficiency curing tunnels, ensuring uniform coating, strong adhesion, and long-lasting bright color. The Intelligent Control System PLC plus touchscreen realizes precise temperature control and process management, which is energy-saving and environmentally friendly. From scheme design to installation and commissioning, we offer a one-stop turnkey project to ensure efficient delivery and help you enhance both product quality and production efficiency. With 30 years of manufacturing experience and a 26,000 square meter production base, our quality is trustworthy.
Rich-ZhYao. Together, we color the world.